I'm Marge Cook and I live here at Dogwood Commons. I wanted to downsize because I lost my husband in 2021. Getting rid of the house meant that I could go back to my mission work, meant that I could travel again. I contacted Downsize Allies because my house wasn't selling. I was listed with another realtor and I was up against the deadline to move into Dogwood Commons. And so I don't want to use the word panic, but that's sort of what you get in a panic. And I called the girls here at the office, and I remembered that they had told me that they could help me sell the house. Well, I fell in love with Denise from the very beginnings. We just clicked right from the beginning, and I just fully trusted her that she was going to, she said, we're going to sell it. And that's exactly, and it was only just a few days. In today's market, I think it's the customer service is paramount. I really do think that. You just have to have somebody that you do trust, but that you know that will really work for you. And they were quick to respond to any phone call or any text or any email. And even if I didn't know how to do something and I messed it up, they could fix it up for me. I was really stressed before I called Denise, and it's nice not to have the stress now that it's past, and no regrets. I have no regrets of doing it. It was, and I have no hesitation to refer Downsize Allies because you have it all. I mean, it's the full package. If I had to do it over again, though, I would call them first.